Greetings, Southern Cameroonians. Yeah, no talks I go be live today, but I did live. So make we just go on, be the audience and share to others. Yeah, be the audience and share to others. Greetings to everyone where they join. Yeah, today, when I don't see what it don't happen, yeah, we don't see what it don't happen for ground, and some activists I get right for come up for talk for we, and especially to we are fighters. I'd already put an audio out there. For the fighters already. Yes, I don't put an audio. We fight a psychological war. Yes, we fight a psychological war. This person will fight for front. And we are people for ground. We are mami them, we are papa them. Na them be we are protector. Your community, your LGA, your county. Na them be your protector. I believe say with the new structures, them way greetings, may I salute on greetings everyone. I believe say with the new structure, the way interim government don't put in place, they go be able to coordinate ground. May we go on and build the audience, because as I be don't talk now, why don't wanna see me? I be the attack plenty of these were brothers the way they did inside security chiefs and everything, because we are brothers the way they fight for ground. Most of them they not be educated, most of them no go school. Now why I don't talk say most people them for this war revolution, especially for diaspora, una they only can use big book for ground. Yes, big book for diaspora. But when we need una for humble una self, una not fi humble una self. Look, president for Tanzania where he die. Look at the people that they cry because he humble himself. But when we need una for use una big book, for go for ground, for educate the boys, for join una county, no, una no want. Any man want dinner oga, and no man no want listen for other person. I been always talking before. I said if it be say endely estimuna them, PM Kale them, all that our papa do them there for front. Most of them he go school pass Foncha. Most of them be go school past Foncha. But ask yourself, say, if all the Endelis, them, the PM Kale, them, and the rest, if they begin to put their book for front, they will fit talk one mob, they leave Eastern Regional House of Enugu. They not go fit. They not go fit talk one mob leave. There is a time in life where you get to put yourself down. Just like how we get some small pineapple ways to say, there's a time in life for everything. A time to smile and a time to cry. A time to be happy and a time to be sad. A time to mourn and also a time to jubilate. There is a time for everything. And we are papa and we are ancestors. They knew that. They knew there is a time for everything. A time where your academical achievements don't matter. That's why you see most of these papa for diaspora don't look their face. A time where your academician glory don't matter. A time where you need to humble yourself to serve your people. There's a time for everything. Hello, everyone. Let's go on and build the audience, please. Share, not inform people so they come live. There's a time for everything. We are papa, they be humble themselves. Amongst them, I think so the only person will be the academician are just Foncha, will be the normal school teacher. But they don't care about a level of education. All of them, they humble themselves, they work. Well, I don't come again for talk for una today, and we going to talk about more things because una look the revolution they win, but there's small lack of coordination. Yeah, we win this war, but the war at a certain point we lack coordination, especially for the counties. The counties they get for sit up for coordinate. The counties get for coordinate. I be happy say. My brother Paul Nilong, they don't give position for inside IG for defense, for being media and waiting outreach coordinator, if I not put on right. So he got to do a good job for being able to relate. Yeah, that job may not end for media outreach, make it go for help for educate the boys. Because our brothers, they need education. They need a lot of education. Yeah. They need so much education where now the road that way all these people where they carry themselves say doctor, where they come for online, can't make people them feel say they don't go school past everybody. Now the road that way they supposed to go for their county to play. Yes, they be supposed to go for their county to play. You see these boys the way they for ground, especially we are brothers where they fight. I want to tell you one thing. Just like I talk for my audio. The worst thing for life now for take something for poor man. The worst thing, even if you fight. If you not look for this revolution, we'll be very frank. We don't mostly collect for we are people. We forget say we fight now the enemy. Even if you need money for fight for liberation, you know go collect for your own people, And the one make all una wanna watch this video, the fight I wanna go watch them for YouTube and all sides, make una know. The worst cry for life na suffer man. If we fight for suffer people, you know get for make that suffer people then feel pain. You get for be able for substantiate, you know who you fit take something for you and who you know fit collect. For life, that be the grow up for ghetto. They used to talk say, if you be thief man, you go thief poor man, they go beat yourself, burn you, kill you. But if you be thief man, you go thief rich man, people go clap for you. Because now they don't carry all the money, hide them. So if you be restoration fighter, you want to do something, look the people the way they there for government. Now them supposed to be on a target. Look people where they there for government. Look people where they work for offices. Not them. Not them supposed to be on people the way they supposed to the support for revolution. The poor people now them will be na security. I want to say kudos to General Spirito. Spirito be then a very good fighter. A very good fighter. A very good fighter. Yeah, you see the go down so today that they kill Spirito. Where they kill it today. Spirito they go down so you see plenty of people that they go down with ye. By pastor, by Mami them. La Republic kill plenty civilians, eh? Plenty civilians La Republic kill them today. Plenty. It keep plenty civilians before they want touch Spirito. It keep plenty, just like how they go kill for Mautu so. Just like how they go kill for Mautu. They kill plenty civilians. Now I will tell you, say, when you there with your people they go protect you till you die. Yeah. Yeah, people they go protect you. But before we move forward, why the audience the bill? I want I will take some 1 minute as youth. Now I fight away, don't fight for we. Yes. And this guy say don't go. I go and tell we are fighters, and especially those the way they do for county, many other things. When I say that we don't define spiritual sins, not be today. Chamberlain, we don't define spiritual. And now I don't see me, we don't come out for this Facebook. I call chairman for Meme, and chairman for Kumba LGA. Before Tony, I be don't call you out. But I be very happy. Now I want to see me, I talk out things straight. Some people, they don't like my voice. When I say in the space of 3 months, since I come out start talk. When I say fighters them, if I not be come up, can't talk things for interim government for react. 3 fighters who don't lost 2, 1 don't go for DDR. For only inside Meme. Meme would always be the fire point. We don't lost 2 fighters. Above don't die, and today na Spirito don't die. And then Valerie. Now when I don't talk for you, say, oh, we must go for we account and LGA. Because if you look, immediately when this Valerie guy go enter DDR, immediately, you see and say, havoc, they don't start to happen. Havoc. But I don't talk for Watana today. I tell them, say, we get for start tag black legs. That one are true. That one are true. We get for start make sure say black legs and few. We don't talk that thing, we lie low. Even the defense department, all these people, the one at the end, they proud themselves, say black leg. We get for start fish them out and deal with them squarely. All them. All them. I believe say the new defense council we don't come, they go touch plenty things. All these people that want at the end, they feel free online, black like this, we get to start fish them out. Please, let's build the audio. We get to start fish. That's a job where we get to start doing back. For no revolution, they will not fight. Somebody they call it, say black leg openly. Some people, then they will know them for face. They live freely. It doesn't happen. There are things that way na psychological warfare. Psychological warfare na warfare that they defeat you na by the brain. You see, I said, despite the amount of military where we don't kill for this war, you see here the military, the talk say, They win we. No bona the year. Despite the amount of military where we talk every day, say we don't kill, despite the one way Field Marshal and the rest, they say they don't do. You hear La Republic, they talk every day, say they win the war. You think say that waiting? Now psychological warfare, now for the brain. They not say when they talk that one logically, the people the way they claim say that they protect them, they go support them. They go say yes. You know your Tanganji talk say we win. That means say we win. Now why that today I will talk especially for our fighters and all una there for ground. When I see me, I know they ever post picture for we are fighter we die. I be don't stop them. So long time. I know the post picture for we are fighter we die because that is a psychological stuff. Just imagine say some mommy the way they give it all, some papa the way they give it all. Some people the way they don't like die. When they say one person they'll start die. Immediately then too they start feel reluctant for the revolution, eh? Now whether you see La Republic, you know the post they are die people. La Republic not the post. But when they get to their own, like when they don't struggle, so they don't kill civilians before the one get spiritual. You see, they don't move that civilian their corpse, they don't go drop them for mortuary. They don't carry spiritual die body, they don't go down for center for Kumba. Go put them for down. Yeah. Then they start showing and say, now in this, you hear Dio, they do this, Dio. You know why that Dio carry that corpse for spiritual and the others go for down? Just like how they carry Ayeke on. When I know why? Make we build the audience. Click share, we go talk them. This war we get for be very smart. Now what I don't tell when I say we must use common sense. Common sense is not common. Ask yourself, the same way they go show Ayeke body. Now the same way where they carry spiritual body, to they go show them. The same way. Why did they do them? Did they do that thing I don't talk on here before? Now because of say, did they want to make every fighter where it ever intend for say he want join for go fight, make that fighter fear. It's a psychological fear. When you be some young person where want fight for your freedom, where you don't tire for the government. Now what I see for instance Southern Cameroon, people that they only talk, nobody, no they ever wake up for do any action. People that they only talk, oh yes, this man must go. Like today they don't elect Kabayege Jibri. They don't elect Kabayege Jibri back again. Since 1992 don't be. People don't like him. But they don't fit talk. No man, all man they fear none because the way they don't see, they don't scatter youth, them way they don't kill them. Any man they fear. So what to you we will get for do? To my restoration fighters, when I take this part very important before I want to start my live show. If you kill any person where concern military, when I must fight, say, may La Republic not take the die body. It's very important for war. It be very important for war. For all restoration fighters, and when I go watch this video, this particular part, when I cut them. From today, when I know the sense say we kill this, when I not go show their blood, when una exchange gun battle with military where any of una person, whether una person fall or not, una must make sure say una must get the La Republic their corpse. Make La Republic, the military them, make their family, they know they see their own die body. That is what we get for do. That means now we will go show the die body for our own people. The same as una see the deal for Meme. Go today, in the carry we are youth, the way they don't pay school fees, they don't fight. They don't work for inside that government. That government don't forget. The same way we want to see them do, that's the same thing where we will get for do. From henceforth. Now we will control the territory. I talk especially for the chairmen and for all. From today, any military person, when I meet them, they start see their picking where they for inside military, they loss. Convocation go be. Yeah, when they start see their picking where they for military, they know they see their body. That means say, when I know they take them again, when I know they say, come say we don't kill like we see as when I do. When I want do some ambush, we get for ready for the ambush. That means say, when we're ready for the ambush, we get them. When we get them, we take the body. We to get for do video. You call your people them. It's a psychological war. And you not get to let the enemy. You not get for let the enemy make the enemy beat you for psychological war where you beat you for guerrilla warfare. You know fit. Because normally now they control the forest. So when I want wage battle from today, I talk for all restoration fighters. I already put that for audio. And the county and the LGAs, they must take this very, very important. Even if you kill a one military man, show them, make video, as I used to send with video. Make video, you show his face, then you tell the family. Because if family go watch him for social media, you tell the family, say they not go see the dead body again. We get forest big now. Forest big, very big. You take the dead body, you throw him for some side, you bury him. When you do and so, when 10, 100, 200, picking the way for military, their woman, they are picking them, their family, they know they see their dead body them again. It goes now for them where you know say, they go start feel the heat. Because now, may I give you another example? Now we go win the war. I don't turn myself for this war. Mommy, the papa, they wanna not shake. See, Ambazonia, we get wisdom. Ambazonia, we get wisdom for our brain. As they say, nothing not happen. We don't give them chance to cry their picking. But now we do get to change the strategy. And now the role for the chairman, La Republique. La Republique, you see now one of them this. I just block this one. Then he come with picture. I don't tell them say they're too small. Yeah. So when I don't feel the way they don't go do for spiritual. Now others who don't, and the new Defense Council way don't come. I want to tell you one good news. One good news. That big firewood, I don't see, they don't send me video for real one. And I don't say me, I know they can give a merciful tutor the lie. No, merciful tutor always it. I get video for one way they don't, where some who are brothers then they arrange. If you see them with some correct criers then, they do for some group that they arrange the money. I don't see the big firewood with my eye. You know, be say that one way people that they can't do. I don't see one with my eye where it halapa, it come all the lava. So I want to tell una all una way una spirit the one lukewarm. I want to tell una say una not lukewarm. I don't tell una say this work and a walk away all will get for gather. La Republique go cry. La Republique go cry. Yes, will be the cry for big firewood. But some we are mommy, some people they don't gather. They don't arrange. I see the video where they send it for me. Better big firewood and then with some criers them. Special criers. So with time, anytime from now, when I go see that big firewood go appear, then you work tirelessly every day and night for make sure say that big firewood it come. Including my brother too, Eriko Akaba, where it will do the job. So may I continue? La Republique don't try this strategy for discourage where mommy them we are papa them, but it never ever work. So make I take all them. I don't see my country people. You don't put my video. You try for make this. I don't tell you say he be small boy. Yes, he be small boy. And we the youths now for Watana Wata, we don't wage war with them. We go fish them out. We go fish them out, and we know they do the thing again. Now na war. We know they do the thing again where people that they use sympathy. When you be black leg, we catch you, they know they see at thy body again. Now what we do? From today, be black leg, be military, be DO. When they catch you, your family know they see at thy body again. We go show you to for Ambazonia. We make video, we call where mommy, then they see you. After they see you, your skin loss. They don't go ever see you again for this planet. Now so we go to do from today. So that when I think say when I win, woman they too they go to be. They not go see their master go lost for thin air. So who go lose? Who go lose? Who go lose? Now when I go lose. So I want to tell you all the fighters for the ground before I go to the matter proper. For a battle like this, we must die. No battle, no day we know the die. No battle. Whether you sleep for your bed, you go die. Whether you fight or you not fight, you go die. The worst thing in life, now for a man where he live in fear. When you live like a person where you in fear, you live for that kind of situation, you be worse than person waiting for grief. Like all these people, the way you see for online, say they call themselves black leg, they holler, they laugh because they get 2,000, 3,000. I tell you, the worst thing for life now for living fear. Since 1992, youth then there for inside so-called La Republique. But see grandpa where the rule for National Assembly, Kabayege Jibri, it more than how old. Then you say they live in fear. We have brave youths of Southern Cameroon. Brave youths. And I want to tell one of my youths, from today, never you think, never you stumble, never you grow weary. For the fact that you don't stand for fight, victory will come. It's not about the number. of the people where they kill, but it's not about how determined we be. You see what the Republic they do? Na fear. Because they don't fit show their death outside. But when they go kill civilian, they carry on a two, they bring her. They can start say, oh, so take Geo, the cash, drag this one in hand, bring it. Look the image for the boy self after I watched Spirit today for ground. Look the image. The boy wasn't happy. If you look the video self where they call the young man, say, see this young man, the boy face, it shows sorrow. It shows sorrow. But I want to tell you, I'm a fighter, especially those who are the for DDR. I want to tell you all, make una know this. Betraying your brother doesn't make you alive. No. Especially Valerie. Watch this video, Valerie. Betray your brother then for a crumbs from the old people table. It don't make you be alive. Because now 2 minutes, as we know the sleep for diaspora, we go make sure say we get what to go bring down that country, that we are territory, everything will be destroyed. We get the passport, make some person not fool you. You get the determined few. So it's not about taking one fighter or you going to DDR. Or it's not about talking, because after this war, all una wanna do for DDR. All una go before I said the war end, they go kill una. So it's not about that. What it's about is you standing here and say your people they for suffer. Look, La Piroto can they kill you? Look, your people there for suffer. Then you choose for Ghana for DDR. Why you not go for Nigeria? It go change? DDR go better you? Nah. So, my brothers and for Bush and my people, then once again, wanna be welcome. I will put this one for the beginning. I don't say I don't kill spiritu. They be glad. But they try for me go readjust. They don't show them for Boyu. So, pam, pam, pam. They don't show them for Lebi Alem. When they come for Meme and Fako, where black legs and they plenty. They can't struggle. They go kill your people. They see the number of people they kill, and so they kill pastor. They kill pastor before the one gets spiritual. They can't be happy. But I don't tell my fighters that dead body, the worst thing for life, where enemy get for do for you. Now for carry the dead body for your brother, can't put that for public. Now the worst thing. That's the worst thing. So as a fighter, from today, I want to tell you this. If you not get any military man, DO, colonel, captain, we will not kill. We will not let them make the carry the cops go. This one must be our greatest achievement. Any military man, be captain, or any military man, we will not kill from today. I don't make the audio, and I believe so when don't hear me for WhatsApp group. Any military man will not kill, it disappear with the body. Any army truck where una plant left and say una put popcorn, una make sure say the military people there for inside they not see no one. Where una carry them, even if for bush una day, una not show people their face around. Una do video, una send to say now then this we don't finish them. Now this we don't finish them. Now then this we don't finish them. Their family no go see them again. We get very big bush for inside Southern Cameroon. Una take them down and dump them for the evil forest. Una bury them for day. When family for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 military, they not see their picking them again. When they not see their picking them again, we no go cry our brother the one that don't cry. Una wait, una go see delegation of mommy the way they don't lost speaking them. They go the march go National Assembly. So all chairmen them from today, I beg, no one the other news say we kill this. You know the sweet. When I see the way they don't do today, for spiritual way, if they take care of mommy them, the hell people for me, when I see what they don't do, despite all the thing, they don't come make we mockery. Yes. So when we get them, una put their clothes, una wear the military clothes for their skin. Now which man that? You see my block who? My block. Mokamio Brandiono. Who's ID? I block this fool. Any man we see where they go and I block he. Where did you step? This one of Southern Cameroonians patriots. With the big La Republic hands down. And when we go change the game now as they want to do, they go start cry pass way. So to the fighters, any military man where una touch and today, una must be very vigilant. As una finish them, una make video, we go share them for Facebook. We go share them for Facebook. That thing, una don't see how many of our brothers they don't kill. Population now would share video of what they kill. When you share video of your enemy where they kill you, it make the enemy feel superior. Even though it lose, it make the enemy feel superior. But when you start show the dead body of military, you start show them so as we like one go kill with no green, may they carry one man go. No green. When una want arrange ambush, if na 20 left and say una put them for the motor, una get all them. May no one man no go. If na burn the body, we go burn them. We go make video. We put firewood as they do for Indian on top their skin. We burn them all. We send the message for the family. Now war we day. Now war, now psychological war. So fight as them. This one, now very big economic sabotage. Why they teach you now so? Now very big one. When you get military people, say you kill them. No green make their friend carry their dead body go. Gather the dead body they all. Una take and go for bush. Una call people them. Una make firewood. Una put them. We offer them to the Most High as they do in the ancient days. It is war. We offer them, we burn them, and then you show the video. So their family go not say they don't need they don't see the dead body again. That's where La Republic will do. Say they cover the dead body, give them befitting burial. Una no agreement happen. I don't already make audio for una and the repeat and make La Republic 2 years. So I made an office say war before Tibo Nagi. One day when I say America try, you know, succeed, you know, be door. When I don't do and do we too go start. Yeah. So una no go to get their body there for bury again. Big DO, big government delegate, una go to disappear and disappear. Because anyone who will catch them, we go to burn them as they burn their body for Indian. We go gather the body so, we put firewood, we put video. So the international community go take we serious from today. When 100 mami them, they are picking them for military disappear, where they burn them so. That parliament go hear that time. Because now, when we will kill, they carry, you leave them, they carry the dead body, they go bury their dead body, they cry and cry, they get grave for corner them. But for you, when they carry you so poop, they will go show your family, show people. Begin they go start fear. Feel the fight na bad thing, what the fight na correct thing. So my fighters for Bush, I don't give another very good advice, and we go take them from today. To Amazonian people, nobody can defeat you in your land. Nobody. The true son and daughter of Southern Cameroon, I don't see una history. Now, what I want to see today, I go to talk mostly for some certain things then before I come back for this topic. I don't see Dr. Kwanga, a video where he don't make, and plenty other things the way I go touch. But I be saying I touch this part for our boys the way they fight for ground first. Because this one is psychological warfare. When you let the enemy they take the cups and for your brother, they take and go out, it go show. Like they hold up that young boy hand, they show this and that, say they don't defeat, we did this and that. They never defeat nobody. As they say, why they never get field marshal all these days? Why they never get general no PT? Why did they cry when they want to go for this thing for a Kumbo? Then they beg these restoration fighters, they made them move all thing with it for road. We get the audios where military commander, the beg, he said, I beg, we move all that thing away for road before we come. We beg. They try for beg. When they want to go Kumbo, if it tell you how your brothers are strong. Yeah. Now what I see, I know the caution, the chairman of Meme, and I believe the interim government get for rise because for Meme, we don't lost 3 picking them. 1 man don't go DDR. 2 don't fall. Above and Spirito don't fall. We get for rise back for Meme. Every black leg for Meme, we not get for spare. For all the fighters, the way they remain, General Popo, the way they did it, and the rest, all una did it. Una no get for spare. You don't offer your life. Some of una don't offer una soul, forget una odeshi. Some of una don't sleep for graveyard, una wake up back. Some of una don't enter coffin, una come out. And not plenty kind thing the way una don't do. Because of say, una watch una mama then they kill them for una front. Una watch una brothers and kill them for una front. Una cry. People that they for government, they say no, na their own picking the correct for go America, go study. Una get for remain for inside Cameroon, una won't bambe till una die. Now you don't take gun. You don't stand for fight. I want to tell you one thing. First thing first, make sure so you not torture your people. No kidnap, no take money for your people. Remember this. Poor man, not the thief poor man. If poor man, you thief poor man, now you die, you define him. If you be poor man, you thief poor man, no say now you die. Find in as much. There are many things what if you do. I believe so I don't get the National Council. If they need advice, plenty way they will get money for ground. We will not disturb with your mommy then with your brother. From those the way that they work for La Republic, where La Republic they give the money, like senators and parliamentarians, like DOs, like delegates, like mayors. People that they plenty will take them, get money. People that they plenty. But you suffer people. You are suffer people. Where they will get for treat them. Now, if some person there diaspora where you know they contribute. Where if you damn say you as a fighter for ground, you get for the axe diaspora, may they send you list of everybody for una county and LGA where you dey. You run that list, you look at whether any person there for that list where he do something. When I know all man, me when I dey quarter, not every man with the build house. I know every bushfaller with the big house. Find out, know whether that bushfaller name there for that list. If you name not there, you put the building down. Now, war you there, no man no go jail. When you don't burn 1, 2 bushfaller their house, they will start fire county and LGA. Now, so una fighters get for do, una get for avoid. Una get for avoid conflict with any person when a suffer man for ground, where they walk in bush. No 6 person in bush. No take person in farm cocoa. No use people suffer people in their money. Walk around. You find people the way they get brought them for diaspora. You tell your county chairman, make it send you lists. Or your LGA, make it send you lists for every person where they for county. Their real names, not be say, but that list get for the men and for you privately. Now you the worker for town, you get your informant. That informant they tell you every family where it did there. Every family where they inside una county, if na Kumba, if na Victoria, that informant they tell you every, you cost check them for that list. If that people for that list where they don't send them for you, for your county and LGA, if that people, that name where your informant give the day, if they don't the your next target, that their homes. When you light one house, you light 2, you light 3, they go find that county, you not going to do you bad job. When they lighter, you call your chairman, they don't contact you. When he say yes, tell them say they get for pay now this amount of money. Now so you get for the do. You no get for touch poor man. And therefore military as I be tell una, any military where you catch, may you not give space, may they take it their body, go back. Take the dead body for the military. Show your own community. Say now the people then this where they don't want to make we grow. Now then this in a 3, 4 military will kill. Show them say now the military people then this one don't whether they come for destroy our future, whether they kill we because parliament no one talk about our quest. The international government no one negotiate now then this. Their family too no go see them. Una make small bamboo house, una burn them there, or if no una not burn them, una bury them for bush. When family for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100 military never see their pikin return back home. When 100 widows, they never see their pikin return back home. They go march, go National Assembly, say, make una end this war. So it be very easy, my fighters. Now the new operation that we will do from today. For that way they do for Meme, that way they do for Ayeke, that way they do for all the pikin, that way for the Mautu. Now the thing that we did today. Now I don't give on a fighter. The next thing I say, IG no go be dissolved. When the audience don't bill, I go come back for those fighters, their message. Click share and let everybody come. IG no go be dissolved. It no go be dissolved. IG will never be dissolved. I hear Dr. Kwanga message where he preach. I be there good time, I listen all the message. The first thing for life now, say when they give you title, Papa Ambazonia, when you are a father, the father must always have humility. Papa will not be humble himself for wash he picking for morning time, where he picking nowhere for go school. That papa not be what calling a papa. Papa where he not be clean he picking, he teeth, or he picking he bottom when he shit. That is not a father. A father who cannot practice humbleness but teaches his child to be humble is not a good teacher. The doctrine of a pastor, before it has to be followed by his followers, the pastor has to show the sign of following the doctrine. Dr. Kwanga came and said, it was a bad idea. In the beginning, they said you cannot create a governance, because when you create governance, people will concentrate on power and they'll forget about liberation. You need to create a liberation council. That's a very good idea. Now, very good idea. That's a very good idea. But Dr. Kwanga, when the time was there for you to unite to create a liberation council or whatever, where were you all? Where were you? That's the question. Some of the fathers in this revolution, when you hear them talk, you know that, hey, no, they are so great. But I told them that it's just I don't have that kind of natural platform. I will bring you there one-on-one. I ask you question. Most of them that you see coming to do, ask them that when the footstep of the beginning of this revolution came up with unity, what happened with it? It's because most of them were not humble. If each of these leaders in the diaspora had some humility in them, like what Patterson possessed before Seseku became the interim president, who would have not had all this problem? Why you see today structures like interim government and others are coming up is because they failed. They put their 20-something years and whatever, they failed. Yes, for Dr. Kwanga, he has always, whenever there is unity, you call him, he will come. That's the truth. There is nothing that concerns the revolution. You call Dr. Kwanga, he will not come. But the one thing about him is, he will come, but he's not humble. If it's not his way, he will back out. Why? Are you coming for yourself or you're coming for your people? When they give you a title, Papa Ambazonia. That's the one problem we have. Are you coming for yourself or you are coming for your people? Let me give you one small story, my people. Look the case. I post a picture on my page where you saw Endeli, you saw Foncha and the others united, smiling, and even in that smile, in the failure Foncha did, Foncha was just a primary school teacher. Let me repeat it to you. Foncha was not a doctor. Foncha did not meet any class of either Endeli, that means academically. You see this another one, I block this one there. I don't tell them, say I go block. I did block them all. Foncha did not meet the class of Endeli or the others. But when it had to deal with the people of Southern Cameroon, Endeli, PM Kale, and the others, they put down their academical degrees and they saw their people important. Despite the mistake Foncha did, his brother, all of them died in that mistake. Let me tell some of you, the mistake Foncha did, Endeli did, you did not hear from one day in the mouth of Endeli. Endeli told Foncha like, oh Foncha, you did this, you did that. No. You did not hear Endeli or PM Kale or the others in one day in their life. They stand to blame Foncha. They accepted the mistake. They joined him in the mistake and they all died in the mistake. And while dying, they told you all they made a mistake. Now, you know one problem with some of you, these fathers in this revolution? The problem is, I've already blocked him. The problem with most of you is, you either want it, that is your way. No. Foncha, they did not want it their way. They did not want it their way. They did not want it their way. Foncha, they wanted the way of the people. That's why all of them stood together. Now, when you hear somebody like Dr. Kwanga come up, he said, The best idea was a liberation council. Governance is coming when the war is ending. That's true. That's good. But your attitude is what promoted us having an interim government. The attitude of most of you, especially you in the diaspora, is what promoted us to have a government. Because we felt like a government would be the one able to curve everything, bring everybody together, and give us a common reasoning. That's why. If all this una talk, una be the talk, una be humble, una safe from the beginning, this will not happen. Now we already have a government who has come in and is doing the job. No one day will make the world and the people look us like we are confused. To say we'll go and dissolve the IG, to bring in restoration groups to please people like Dr. Kwanga or Ayabacho. That will never happen. That once upon a time in life, the people of Ambazonia gave you guys their destiny. They felt most of you in the diaspora were educated in your reasoning and were humble. Now the revolution is not about the revolution is in the hands of the people. The people have formed themselves in their LGA and county, and they are ready to fight till the end. So it's not about IG. The IG now is the people. That's what I always tell you. I say the IG is not Secretary Chris. The IG is not President Sako. The IG is the people. Because the people felt that you all could be humble, Ayabacho could be humble, and the others, the Moritz and the other, but they realized that it was all about pride. You did not possess the characteristics of their ancestors. You did not. If you possess the characteristics of their ancestors, that what you call Liberation Council will be easy. Look, for example, the case of apartheid in South Africa. The people possess the characteristics of their ancestors to unite themselves and not put themselves into different fractions of who came first and who and that. If you all humbled yourself, that Liberation Council would have been there. But since we, the people of Ambazonia, realized that it was all about your small fraction, the same fraction, because if you look, the spirit of division, it manifested in most of you, Dr. Kwanga. The spirit of division. You guys divided from groups to groups to groups only in the diaspora. And then how did we, when we realized that, we knew there would not be a unity in so-called Liberation Council. All of you, look the history of NCNC. I've always asked CDI, I said, why did you all not remain under NCNC? Why? Whether it's NCNC, which a chairman was there, and whether it's part from Galafoda, why were you all? You split it to go and form your own group with Ayabacho. From Ayabacho, Ayabacho split it with you to go and form his own group. Now you have Roi, everybody, you have Morix. This one form his own. It's a spirit of division. It's a spirit of division. So first, like Mandela said, if you want to fight for your people, deliver yourself. Dissolve your group. Dissolve your group. Let's be real. Most of you in the diaspora possess the spirit of division. It did not start before the revolution came to existence. It started a long time ago. Long time ago, because most of you were not humble. Any man be the claim say over no his own. If you all were humble, NCNC would have been the only group just like today. Look the Biafrans. Look the Biafrans. Can you know that Biafra has groups under? No. Look the Biafrans. But look you all. Only in the small revolution, only in diaspora, before the revolution started on ground zero. You have Rua, you have Morris, you have AGC, you have Sokadev, you have... What the hell? How can a divided man form unity? How? Where? In which place in the world? How can a divided man form unity? How? That you go and sit and you say, oh, the governments were supposed to do a government, but at the end of the revolution, it was a Liberation Council. It was a good idea. Even when the revolution started, were you guys humble? The people of Ambazonia waited for you, gave you guys time. You went to the conclave, you go and say, no, this one's a Johnny just come. You go, Bohabed go to conclave, they appoint him a spokesman of the Ambazonia Governing Council. Next 2 minutes, they hold small meeting in Morris. He come and say he has resigned. And the people were there watching at you. Now the people are taking out their own decision, and you come and start talking around nonsense. Around nonsense. First of all, you all in the diaspora, clean your own self. All of you. I've told Ayabacho, you all clean yourself. Clean yourself. Small unity you and Ayabacho could not be. I don't know what you're hiding. Because you knew what transpired between Ayabacho and the Republic. You have never told us what made you and Ayabacho to separate before Ayabacho went and formed AGC. You have never. What made you and your brother to divide? But you're telling Amazonians how we should move and go and form a liberation council. How can we form unity when we don't know what destroyed you guys in the diaspora? How? Let's be real. These are the tough questions which I don't know why Abdul Karim cannot ask some of you. How can we form unity when we don't know what destroyed you guys to leave NCNC and the others and go and form your group of distraction? You have never told Amazonia who caused this, who caused that. We need to solve those problems before you can talk about even a liberation council. Because if you are not free from yourself, you cannot free a people. You have to free your own self, free your mental mindset, free everything that has to deal with you before you can come to talk about freeing a people. Mandela said that. Because once your mind is not free, the revolution of the people is blocked. Because anytime we have to push, whatever obstacle you face will appear again in front of you to distract us from moving. That's the same thing we have with Ayabacho. I said it. I said, I don't know the oath. I don't know the oath you took with Ayabacho. Because you, Dr. Kwanga, you know why. That's what I said God, may God have mercy to some of you. The day some of you will speak the truth, I know it will come. I know. The day some of you will speak the truth, the better. Because I don't know the oath you have with Ayaba. That you cannot come and tell Amazonians. Because no matter how we pretend, we cannot go and do another fake unity. We did a fake unity before. Washington, D.C., we're expecting all of you to come together, speaking like one people, and act like one brothers. All of you came on SCTV of Dexter Brain, and you could hear John Bakoro. My brother, am I not saying this? My brother, am I not saying this? Yes, yes, we are united. Yes, yes, we are united. Yes, yes, we are united. Oh, Dr. Kwayaba, yes. No, everything is going good. Me and Bo Habe spoke. You wanna take people from Amazonia, from Mafia, where they are picking the devil ground. Una brain, they don't shake. Una brain, they don't shake. Una take people for Amazonia, where they give una hand money, like say, they are head no balance. The next few days, people gather the whole America. Boss, chatter boss, chatter boss. Kind boss, then I saw boss there for line. From Maryland, from Massachusetts, people direct Newtown, New York. Even Pamolanjo, where foot no fish shake fine. Pamolanjo come day. Hypocrites of the modern day. Oh, na come for day. Hey, you see, hypocrites. Small $50,000. Where he pass money when I don't collect them for asylum seekers since when I can Europe. Any master pick phone, send my own money, send my own money. Now leaders than that. Send my own money, send my own money, send my own money. Now leaders than that. They cannot manage 50,000 contributed by their own people in a demonstration. Hey! Even Watana Wata said we better. Even Watana Wata, where we are just picking them, we are far more better than you all. You are a public disgrace. 50,000. Ayabacho. Una send we own money for AGC. Akwanga. Una send we own money for AGC. The send we own money. Mori, send we own money. 50,000. Where you feel work that money, next for America, you go work that money in no time. Any man be the wire, make the wire you own. You forget your own people. Una forget the old Dr. Kwanga. Una forget the talk una talk for SCTV for Dexter Brains. Una forget una people where they come out thousands of miles in America for God I can't give you that money. Then today you go hear Dr. Kwanga can't she done. I said before forming a government was a mistake. We had a liberation council. Have you guys delivered yourself? All of you are confused. The only structure in this revolution that has never been confused is the county and LG. I'm telling you, all of you are confused set of, I'm sorry to say it, old men. Old men. Let me tell you guys something. The best leader in this world, you must first humble yourself. The day, if you guys want us to believe you guys are good, dissolve your groups. Because that's where the foundation of division. Look, the foundation of the IG. Have you never seen that anytime we try to merge the divided groups of diaspora with the unified bodies of Ground Zero, it causes havoc? It comes like an explosion. Have you never noticed that? It's like mixing fresh palm wine with an old palm wine in a calabash. It can explode. Anytime, because most of you in the diaspora, your groups were formed in division. And it was a very bad idea for the consortium to ever accept that we blend this modern revolution without your olden, ancient thinking mentality, ideologies which you came from Ground Zero. It was a very bad. I don't know why Barrister Bobala and Pata Sang they accepted that. If this revolution did not have you, these groups, these divided spirits who came to Europe to look for money, power, hungers, and money people, this revolution would have ended long time ago. We would have fought this war and it would have been over. But the greatest mistake was for them to invite you, greedy, hungry people who are in diaspora. Maybe they could not pay their house rents. Greedy old men who could not feel their people dying brought you guys in. Not knowing that you guys have lived your life in diaspora. All of you were so divided. Divided. There was no unity in you. Divided. They brought a fresh revolution and brought it to you. Instead for you to humble yourself and come and help your people who are suffering from the mental torture from the dictator of Kondingi, of Itudi. Instead to humble yourself to serve your own people, what could you do? You started thinking about your longevity in the revolution, not knowing that in that longevity you had division. Once you were in NCNC, you, Dr. Kwanga, you leave. You only talk about you were holding part this man's back and part this one back. You left. You go and form your own with Ayabacho. Under your own with Ayabacho, you made an oath. You and Ayabacho. In that oath, you and Ayabacho, the oath did not work again. Ayabacho too went and formed his own. And Bo Herbert came from CRTV. And whether it was happened, Bo Herbert too left and came to diaspora and realized that everybody was King Kong. Ayabacho had his own, Akwanga had his own, and then Paco Meta, they had their own. Bo Herbert too one time lang say own name. Morris. You know, stay to this other one, Dwin Gang. He and for me own, whether na Rua. Before even one can hear this, we are own locomotive headman, say barrister, whoever. Whether na XY, own a church and be barrister for UK. Whether in a Lisinge, come from whether na BLM, weti. Then from Sokadef, Akwanga take and go na APLM, massa. Only for Amazonia Revolution. You go metamorphose all kind name. All kind name. All kind name. All kind groups. Please, if we need freedom, you need to now go the people's way. And what is the people's way? The people's way is under county and LGA. Look, under county and LGA, everything has changed. From then guns, the people now carry AKs. Everything has changed. You can't, we not sit down. We call chairman for Goketunja, say we need your strategy for Fako. Chairman for Goketunja talk nonsense. No, we go summon in for our peace plan. He go bundle that strategy, send him. We not lack strategy for Meme. We hear chairman for Libya Lem say no that strategy. We go call in Nana for Amber peace plan. He go bundle that strategy this night. When I see why AFCON be their success, because we don't practice your division. We are not infested with your virus of division and self-glory. We are not. We are not. You see why AFCON, it was like public fear? It was the metamorphosis of county and LGA. The love that swings through the stream of the blood of Amazonia. It was in that metamorphosis that you saw, because Chairman Willie called. Chairman Willie said, Prince, una get for do this, una get for do that. Chairman Frank called for Goketunja. He said, una get for do so, una get for do that. Chairman Tony, chairman this, chairman that. All of them, they put their brains together and say, this is for us. You in FACO, you have to do this, you have to do that. But look, this small conclave or this small thing for Washington. Who that? Danjuma Varesco, whose idea? If you see anybody that's disturbing, I don't block. Thank you. Any person you see disturbing, just report. I will block. But look, all Una for diaspora, small unity in Washington. You could not. You could not. Now, the way you have to go, Dr. Kwanga, and Ayabacho own case of worst. Dr. Kwanga own better. Because even though you don't you the Hople cricket, your own, you never commit atrocity for we are people. So Dr. Kwanga, we can consider you. Because now the people of Amazonia, they decide. But for person like Ayabacho, Ayabacho na old story. That we are tenant for cassava farm. Ayabacho na old story. Ayabacho, no one even hear, people don't know even hear name again. So this story, this one where they don't even go for Dr. Kwanga because the Dr. Kwanga will even consider it. For Ayabacho, Ayabacho own people they don't even get, they know the feel because the issue happened for Guzang. Ambazonians don't even feel him. They all man they fear him now. Plus the information we don't get a transaction for La Republique. Even with the secret way Dr. Kwanga keep, we see enter embassy work for Nigeria, and the information we'll get to the enter embassy for Belgium. Plenty data information they saw. With the one way they work with General Bankway. Plenty things in there. Plenty things then they were even before one ever talk about unity. Even before one talk about unity, plenty they hang for it. We don't call Ayaba since we can't clear itself. When we see Tapang Ivo with Cabral Libi, we made an audio here. Video. We called him. He has always been very, very proud towards the Amazonian people. So how can he call for unity? The most proudest leader in this revolution towards the people. You know what he tells Secretary Chris? He said Secretary Chris need deliverance. Between here and Secretary Chris, who need deliverance? Let's be real. When the people of Amazonia cry, say Secretary Chris don't do this, he doesn't do it on ABC. But which day Ayabacho, people of Amazonia never cry, Ayabacho ever hear? 23 picking them, picking a big kill for Guzang, mommy they cry, you hear Ayabacho come out? Let me tell some of them, Look, it's now the people's way. Oh, una papa, we don't need una. If una not go for under una county, una first dissolve that group. For Ayabacho, he get to remain itself till Amazonia and the TC say don't be changed before they even call me. That's the bitter truth. Yeah, that's the bitter truth. The issue of ADF and Mbui warriors, their materials, I never yet talk with spokesman for Mbui self-defense. When I go talk with he, then I go talk about that. But I don't tell and I say that's always the case. But last time where they behold Ayabacho their material, whether na military their own, una be here, the boys they do video. They say they want me to work for ground as one people. They say me Ayabacho, they can carry their materials. They go. Una they ever see the people always create peace. Now when I don't talk say, Dr. Kwanga, that papa, I know if I talk for him, but he's acting on hypocrisy. Maybe the old way here Ayabacho they be taken. If we talk and say, they were any man go talk in money on bad fashion for our side, the man go die. I don't know. Because na so they see. Yeah, it like say the old way Dr. Kwanga, because it's on oath. The oath way Dr. Kwanga and Ayabacho they take. It like say they don't talk, say they were any of them. They go come up for our side, talk anything about any one of them. The other man go die. Because the secrets the way Kwanga, Dr. Kwanga know concerning Ayabacho, will it not be good for this revolution. Dr. Kwanga, when he vex, he go can't talk small, but he go block him. Like the one where you see ADF people, then they go for enter embassy. If you ask him to make it talk, you go start make conny, you know, I about this, you know, I about that. How do you want to free people when you are conny, you are hypocrisy? You are a hypocrite in the way of talking. Even if you don't want to bring it on social media. Have you called your brothers, even for that act on a day? You don't call your brother, they tell and say, this my brother Ayabacho, this thing where they do so, I be don't see you do this and that. But you could come and tell us that we should join together. How can we join when we know there is a black snake? It will eat all of us. It's going to kill all of us. And in a revolution like this one, where we know very well, say money is being used by the enemy. Ambazonia don't get money where La Republic don't get them. La Republic don't need thief for Ambazonia for close to 50 years. Huh? For close to 50 years. So how do you expect? How do you expect say they could trust you? So this is it. Let me give the way forward. The way forward for the issue. Now, Dr. Kwanga, we cannot have a liberation council. The only way forward now, every group in diaspora should be dissolved. It is the people's way. It is the people's way. Every group in diaspora should be dissolved. Only the IG should stand. Because the IG, its growth was based on unity. And that's why I said it. I said that if true Seseku want unity, make it not the cause distraction for inside prison. Look and say even the distraction when Seseku they do now with some of una. You hear Dr. Kwanga will come and say, prisoners, let's not talk about prisoners. We talked about Barrister Bobala. If Seseku not be act that way or for the march or for the demonstrate for the sleep for placement and release Seseku. We did that for Barrister Bobala. We did it. We did that for Barrister Bobala. So it's not something new. Ambazonians know how to fight for their own in jail. Yeah. Ambazonians know how to fight for their own in jail. They know very well. We are not novice to tell us about somebody in jail. We fought for Barrister Bobala and Dr. Fontaine. We fought very hard that the pressure from the international community that was on them was not a day job. We did not see any day AGC or this came out. No. We came out strong to fight for them. And this time, we the people have realized that it is not your way. It's not your way. It's the interim government's way. And the interim government is one. It is one. And it will always stand. The interim government under President Sako. There is nothing like Kondengi. I remember I be talking that thing. There's nothing like Kondengi IG and Sako IG. No. It was not under Seseko. It will not be under President Sako. Yes. It was not under Seseko. There was one IG. Seseko went to jail. And now we have President Sako. Under Barrister Bobala, there was one consortium. He did not divide it into two. He went to jail, and when he was leaving jail, he said the people of Southern Cameroon now have a new leader. His name is Seseko. He said it openly. He did not say, Seseko told me that because I'm in jail, I cannot be a leader. No. But while Barrister Bobala was in jail, Seseko told Barrister Bobala that he cannot rule from jail when he was a leader. He told Barrister Bobala that live. The videos are there. We have the videos. Live, he said it. Now he is in jail. He's busy destroying the other one. If Barrister Bobala did that when he was in jail, will he, the Seseko, ever had the opportunity to ever travel somewhere and they give him that red carpet visit they were giving him with cars and police in America, standing and following with escort? Would he have had that? If Barrister Bobala acted the way he did, and then you see some very corrupted fathers who come online, shame, just like how that girl Adama said here, that after the war, people will be rich. You have gone and collected money from La Republique. You come and use some crazy fallacy. Ask Seseku every day. If Barrister Bala wanted to destroy this revolution, he would have destroyed it the day he was in front of Equinox. He would have said everybody that I am still the consortium leader. We don't know Seseku. But he did not say that to you. He did not. He washed his hand and dusted his hand off. He said the people of Ambazonia have a new leader. I am done. He said Seseku. You enjoyed it. Today you have gone to jail. What Bala did not do for you, you come and destroy the revolution. Come and show people that we are divided. Whereas when you took the government, it was one. Because you want to show King Kong. It doesn't work like that. It's going to be over the dead body of Ambazonian. Because since you came when we're not divided, you will not divide us. The interim government is not you. It's not your family. It's not Manu. It is Ambazonia, Southern Cameroon. So it's very difficult for one man to split us. They never born that man. They never born that man. We go scatter we. Even Barrister Bala knows that. That's why you see he dusted his hands off. So for you to come and tell us or try to divide us, you are just wasting your time. Yeah, so we have one government that started from the consortium, metamorphosed itself to Skakuf, from Skakuf, metamorphosed to governing council, from governing council, metamorphosed itself to interim government. We have one. And from that interim government, we had Seseku as the interim president. Then we had Milian Atem and we had Patterson serving as the vice and the secretary general. And now you all are in jail. We have a new command. That's the democracy we taught Africa back in 1950. And that's what Southern Cameroon was one of the first democratic countries that transitioned power without any mix-up. You in jail will never corrupt that. You in jail, you can never corrupt that from us. And now you are in jail, just like how you told Barrister Bala when you were in Nigeria that he's in jail and he cannot rule us. We too have told you clear that you cannot rule us from jail. We have a new government. President Sako is the president. Vice President Abonwa Harrison. And you have the command structure. We will follow that. We will defend that. And for all of you diaspora groups who are very good in causing division, you see how you have manifested your division? In this group, you have never looked for one side that will promote unity. When Seseku was there, he called Akwanga, he called this one. You all told him, Johnny, just come. Today he's in prison. Akwanga come and say, how can you be insulting a prisoner? How hypocrisy are you all? When he came, you all said he was Johnny, just come. When he begged Ayabacho to come and take defense, Ayabacho said, no, you have to dissolve that and come under AGC. Ayabacho said, you have to dissolve that and come under AGC. Today, you hear them talking about prisoners as if they loved him. Hypocrite. That's why most of you, this revolution, you were never united in diaspora. So please, cut us the crap. We had destroyed that your thing long time. That's why most of you were not united in diaspora. Now you come and manifest unity for your brother who is in captivity. How do we know you have not collected money from La Republique? How do we know? I already blocked him, Tekwe. How do we know? So please, if you know you are serious, I've said it before, AGC, dissolve yourself. Sokadev, dissolve yourself. Go under your counties. That is the motto of this revolution now. So let me round up this video. Let it not be long. For my fighters again on the ground, may I repeat and make una here, this part be very important. Psychological warfare. Psychological warfare, we must maintain them. Since we start fighting this war, nobody use psychological warfare. We have not been using it. Let me tell you some psychological warfare. Psychological warfare is the war of the mind. You see, for example, when Cameroon then want to play Brazil, they'll be scared because psychologically on the mind, they know Brazil is strong. Now, when you're fighting with La Republique, and La Republique brings the dead body of your brothers, psychologically, they're telling that other people, like what that colonial DO did in Meme today, is psychologically telling the population that if you try and go like that, man, I will kill you and I'll bring your body here. So do you know what you need to do as a restoration fighter? As I said it before, When you kill any military from today, take the corpse. Struggle as much to take the corpse. If you cannot take the corpse, throw petrol on the body and burn it in that position. If you cannot smuggle the corpse, just do 2-minute show. Call the people, call the population around. Call the population around and tell them that this is another one again, we don't come. Tell the population that these are the people who don't want our freedom, and we will deal with them. You throw a petrol for his skin, you burn a senative man. And they talk and a war with it. Psychologically, when your people they see them, they gonna say you true don't mean now. So don't forget this. I be don't talk for the beginning of this video. When you catch military, una no can't people they say we don't kill this, una see their blood. Struggle as much, even though I not say no be easy. Una get even two. Una make video too. Una say now the terrorists in this way they did not want to make we succeed. Now the terrorists in this way we don't pay school fees, right? GCE. We ask them things them better. We want our freedom back. They don't want you make video so you throw away potato for his skin. You tell family say as they kill your brother, they burn my money. So we to go do now. Pa, you burn the thing off. You burn her off because you don't sacrifice your soul. Most of you don't enter kind place for fight. You know, could stand, see some person, it use the body for your brother, for psychologically destroy the hope of your freedom. No. So get this thing I don't tell una. Una really do am. When you see the you go to post the video. When you do am, you send the video for we. We go to post the video, we go to share the video. Make every Ambazonia get am. Make the see am. It go boost the morale. It go shaking the international community because they don't tell La République make it come from negotiation table. They don't deny. When they see mommy them, widows them for inside La République, they see the cops for their picking, they burn them where they be military like people for inside Southern Cameroon. They go take the case serious. So from today, all restoration fighters, all cheer people, wanna take this message very serious. Na psychological war. When we start doing so, when 100 widow, they don't see their master, their cops, the 100 picking for La République, they don't see their papa, their body come back. They go know that time say Ambazonia Mina. So thank you very much. Stay focused. Support your LGA. What we are doing, it's right. It's right. No man is born to be under chains. No man is born to be under chains. We must be free. We must. So stay blessed. Stay focused. Support your county and LGA. And to the people of Meme, we are with you. Soldier go, barracks still remain. Soldier go, barracks still remain. Soldier go come again another day. So no matter what it happen with Spirito, we go radicalize 10,000 more Southern Cameroonians the more to wake up and to fight. And this time, we go to fight. We go fight, and we go fight for dominate in every way. As the big firewood come, we go make sure say the big firewood it torture La République well. This war is either freedom or nothing else. Never grow weary. My brother for Bush, wanna be very careful with women. Women, wanna be very careful with women. Wanna be very careful with women. And make una not forget this so I don't tell una. Don't forget this. Thank you very much. Next time I go put calls. I don't think say no be good say I come live and not put phone call me we talk. Next time I go come, I go put phone call me when I ring and make people express their mind. Wanna take care and make una have a blissful evening. And please support your LGA and counties. Support your LGA and counties and stay focused. Stay focused. Victories at the corner. With the new strategies the way they're on board, victory go canana so. God bless you now.